Hello my dear students, welcome back to our video classes. This video we are going to learn one new chapter, money. Okay, this video we are going to learn about money. In our country India, the money we used is rupees. Rupees and paisa we are using. Rupees and paisa. Okay, paisa. This is the symbol for rupees. Okay, this is the symbol for rupees. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. What about 1 paisa? 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 of a rupee. 1 by 100 of a rupee. Why I wrote this? To convert paisa to rupees. To convert paisa to rupees, you have to divide by 100. You have to divide by 100. For example, see 75 paisa. 75 paisa. Convert 75 paisa into rupee. Convert 75 paisa into rupee. What I told before, to convert paisa to rupees, you have to divide by 100. So 75 divided by 100 of a rupee. 75 divided by 100 of a rupee. See, you know 75 divided by 10, 100, 1000, that is very easy. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So you have to move this point to decimal place. Let's say point will come here. 0.75 rupee. Okay, otherwise we can put the symbol here. Rupee 0.75. Sometimes 195 paisa. 195 paisa. Convert into rupees. What is our procedure? Have to divide by 100. 195 divided by 100 is equal to how many zeros? 2 zeros are there. So you have to move this point 2 decimal place left side. Point will come here. 1.95 rupees. 1.95. That means 1 rupee 95 paisa. 1 rupee 95 paisa. Paisa we are writing in decimals. Okay. In decimal places this is paisa. Understood? One more example also. For example, convert 1945 rupees into paisa. Sorry, 1945 paisa into rupees. Convert into rupees. Paisa. Convert into rupees. So what is our procedure? 1945 divided by 100. How many zero? 2 zeros. So you have to move this point 2 decimal place left side. Point will come here. 19.45 rupees. 19.45. This 19 is rupees. 45 is paisa. So this is the way you have to convert paisa to rupees. To convert, our concept is to convert paisa to rupees. To convert paisa to rupees, you have to divide it by 100. Have to divide it by 100. Okay, this is our concept. Next, what about rupees to paisa? What about rupees to paisa? That one we will see next. You know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Examples. Example. For example, 19 rupees. 19 rupees. Convert into paisa. 19 rupees convert into paisa. To convert rupees to paisa, you have to multiply by 100. So 19 into 100 is equal to 1900 paisa. 1900 paisa. Okay, so to convert rupees to paisa, you have to multiply by 100. To convert paisa to rupees, have to divide by 100. This is our concept. One more, same question. See, 19 rupees, 45 paisa. Rupees 1945. Convert into rupees. Very easy. 1945 multiply by 100. Same procedure only. Multiply by 100. Okay, very easy. Multiply by 100, 10, 100,000 is very easy. What is the procedure? If it is decimal places, have to move the point 2 decimal place right side. This is 100. So 2 decimal places right side. So 1945 paisa, 1945 paisa. Okay, so one more question. Rupees 45.95 convert into paisa. Same procedure. 45.95 into 100, 4,595 paisa. So this is the way you have to convert rupees to paisa. Our concept is to convert rupees to paisa, have to multiply by 100. Okay, to convert paisa to rupees, have to divide by 100 sometimes. Okay, sometimes like this questions also will come. 19 rupees 45 paisa, rupees 1945. So same procedure, just multiply by 100, you will get the answer. Okay, understood? So next we are going to do some operations on money. Some operations on money. What is operation? Operations in mathematics, operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division only. Okay, so money operation, how to add money, how to subtract money, how to divide money. Okay, this is very easy, similar to our decimal addition, decimal subtraction, decimal multiplication and decimal division. Okay, same like our decimal. Okay, first question, add. Rupees 78.25. Okay, plus 178.25. 78 rupees 25 paisa. Okay, so same like decimal, we have to follow 78.25. 178.25. Look how I wrote, all decimal points below that you have to write. Okay, understood? Then add as usual. 5 plus 5, 10, cut 0, balance 1, bring here. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Point. 8 plus 8, 16, cut 6, balance 1, bring here. 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, cut 5, balance 1, bring here. 1 plus 1, 2. 256.50. So answer is equal to rupees 256.50 paisa. Okay, so this is the way you have to add, same like our decimals. Understood? So next one more question from addition only, from addition. Okay, rupees 552.55. Okay, and addition only, rupees 75.20 and rupees 176.50. Add, same like our decimal addition. 552.55. Okay, 75.20, 176.50. Add 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Cut 2. Balance 1. Bring here. Okay. Point. Don't forget to put the point. Point. Okay. And 5 plus 6, 11. Plus 2, 13. Plus 1, 14. Balance 1. Okay. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 5, 19. Plus 1, 20. Write 20 here. Cut 0. Balance 2. 5 balance 2. Bring here. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 804 rupees 25 paisa. Answer is equal to rupees 804.25 paisa. So this is the way you have to add. Okay. Then two questions from subtraction. Subtraction. First, subtract 195.95 minus rupees 99.50. Same like our decimal subtraction. 195 rupees 95 paisa, 99 rupees 50 paisa. Subtract. Okay, so when we are adding, subtracting, you have to be very careful, okay, by writing decimal places. Look, ones place, tens place, all ones place below that you have to write, all tens place below that you have to write, and point also below that you have to put the point. Okay, then subtract. 5 minus 0, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, point. Then 5 minus 9, we cannot borrow from left side. Now this is 8, this is 15. Okay, 15 minus 9, 6. 8 minus 9, we cannot borrow from left side. Now this is 0, 18. 18 minus 9, 96, 45. So answer is equal to rupees 96.45. This is the answer. Okay, one more question. Subtract 100 minus 79.95. 100 rupees 100 minus rupees 79.95. 100 rupees. Where is the paisa? You can add 0. Put 0, no problem. 2 zeros. Okay, then 79 rupees 95 paisa. If paisa is not mentioned, you can put 0. Same like our decimal. In decimal also we put. If decimal places after the point there is no place, I mean we can put 0. Same we can follow here also. 0 minus 5 we cannot borrow from the side. Here full zeros. Now this is 0. This one 9, 9, 9, 10. Okay. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So rupees 20.05. So answer is equal to rupees 20.05 paisa. Okay, this is the way you have to subtract, and some word problems, some story sums also we can do. First question, Monu has rupees 253.75 and his brother Sonu has rupees 350.25. Our question is, who has more money? Who has more money? Look, Monu 253.75 and Sonu 350. Who has more money? Sonu has more money. Okay, and how much more? How much more? So here we have to write steps and everything. Solution. Money Monu had. Monu had. How much he had? Rupees 253.75. Next, money Sonu had rupees 350.25. Who has more money? Sonu. Sonu has more money. Okay, because he is having 350. This is only 253. This is 350.25. So Sonu had more money. How much money more? How much money more? How much money more Sonu had? Okay, so we have to subtract 300, and so here we can write 350.25, 253.75. Otherwise we can write here, then subtract also, no problem. 350.25 minus 253.75. Okay, so if we are subtracting, you will get this answer 96.50. You will get 96.50 rupees. 96.50. Sonu had more than Monu. Okay, rupees 96.50. Sonu had more than Monu. So next question, how much money altogether? How much money altogether? So altogether means add. Altogether means add. Okay, how much money more means that is difference. Difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. How much money he is having more, that is difference. Altogether means addition. So 350.25 and 253.75 add, you will get this answer 604 rupees. Okay, so 604 rupees they had altogether. Understood? So one more. Next we are going to learn multiplication. How to multiply money. How to multiply money. This is also same like our decimal multiplication. Same like our decimal multiplication. First question. Rupees 42.25 into 7. Rupees 42.25. 42 rupees 25 paisa multiplied by 7. Okay, we are going to multiply rupees 42.25 into 7. How to multiply? Same like our decimal. What is the procedure for decimal multiplication? The procedure for decimal multiplication is, first you have to remove the point. You have to remove the point. Okay, so 42.25. If you are removing this point, 4225. Then multiply as usual. Multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. Cut 5. Balance 3. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Cut 7. Balance 1. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. Cut 5. Balance 1. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 29. Next, important procedure. After the point, how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So you have to move this point. Already one point is there. No? So you have to move this point 2 decimal places left side. Point should come here. Okay. So 295.75. So 295.75 rupees. 295.75 paisa. So this is the way you have to multiply. And one division also we will learn. Money division. 193.50 divided by 6. Rupees 193.50 divided by 6. 193.50 by 6. Okay, this is one digit, single digit number. Have to take only one digit here, but here it is not possible. Take one more number, 19. Set table, 6 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. Balance 1. Okay, balance 1. Bring this 3 down, 13. 2 6 are 12. Balance 1. Okay, bring this 5 down. Before bringing this 5 down, we are crossing the whole number division. So you have to put one point in the quotient. Whenever we are crossing whole number division, you have to put one point in the quotient. Okay, then bring this down. 15. Again, 2 6 are 12. Balance 3. Bring this 0 down. 30. 5 6 are 30. Balance 0. So our answer is rupees 32.25. 32 rupees 25 paisa. This is our answer. So this is the way you have to divide. Okay, understood? And from here also one word problem we will see. One story sum. See, the question is 15 liters of milk cost rupees 570.50. Okay, so 517 rupees 50 paisa. What does 1 liter milk cost? 15 liter milk cost given. 1 liter milk cost is the question. So we have to write the steps first. Solution. Cost of 15 liter of milk is equal to rupees 517.50. Next, our question is cost of 1 liter of milk. Cost of 1 liter of milk. We have to find. This is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Okay, altogether means we can add. Okay, what is the difference between means we can subtract. Okay, here check cost of 15 liters given. Cost of 1 liter is the question. Maximum numbers given. 1 is the question. Okay, so maximum given, 1 is the question means we have to divide. Okay, so if one given maximum is the question, means we have to multiply. Okay, cost of 1 pen is 10 real. What is the cost of 7 pens? Okay, so one given 7 is the question. One given more is the question, means we can multiply. But here more given, maximum given, 1 is the question. So we have to divide. Understood? 517 rupees 50 paisa divided by 15. This number divided by this number. That's all. Okay, divide. 515 17 50 by 15. 15 is 2-digit number. Have to take 2-digit here. Take 51. 1 15 is 15. 2 15s are 30. 3 15s are 45. 3 15s are 45. Balance 6. Okay, balance 6. Bring the next number down. 67. 4 16s are 60. Bring next number 7. Balance 7. Okay, bring next number down. So, but we are crossing the whole number division. We have to put on point in the question. Okay, then bring this down. 5 75. 5 15s are 75. Balance 0. This 0 also we have to bring this down. Whenever we are bringing any number down, that number is not divisible by the divisor. Have to put one 0 in the question. Okay, so our answer is rupees 3450. Rupees 3450. This is the way you have to do this word problem. So this problem, this money lesson we learned. Okay, the money we are using in India is rupees. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 of a rupees. 1 by 100 of a rupees. And 2 more things we learned from that. If you want to convert paisa to rupees, you have to divide by 100. If you want to convert rupees to paisa, have to multiply by 100. Okay, and some addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, same like decimal, we have to do. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.